This is the new Trane 17-seer multi-stage, multi-speed heat pump. This particular model is a 3-ton. It's running, it's fully charged, it's very quiet. We put this in a few days ago. I'm back checking on it. 3.0 means it's in high stage. You can get a low stage or a high stage call from the thermostat for this unit. So right now I have a high stage call, so I've got 3.0 on the board. I like this heat pump. Sounds good, it's running good. I've got compressor, motor amps, 18 down there. But this unit right now, 120 suction, 320 head pressure, almost 12 degrees subcooling. That's what the tag on the unit calls for. Amperage, this thing's running full blast right now. 8.6 amps for a 3-ton, variable speed, full blast. That's pretty efficient, I'd say. It's cooling good inside. It's not real hot today. It's probably 85 degrees. Nice unit.